Hello friends and welcome to BAMS Study Guide. So far we were discussing regarding Varna, Samsthana, Pramana, Upachaya, Apachaya, Snigdhata, Rokshata and how we can understand these through Pratyaksha Pramana. Today we will discuss regarding Chaya, Prabha, Varna, their correlation, then Pratichaya, etc. This Chaya, Prabha and Varna are highly rational and scientific concepts till date. They are incorporated among the science of health as they reflect the equilibrium of all the dhatus. Do you remember earlier we discussed about Varna? The dermatological parameters such as skin hydration, pigmentation, sensitivity and wrinkling and all these can be understood clinically under the concept of Varna. As per Charaka, we know the Prakrita Varnas are Krishna, Shyama, Shyamavadata and Avadata, and whether they are found equally in all people or why there is a difference. It is because of the Chaya behind it, and it explains the depth. That is, increased depth will give rise to increased darkness, whereas minimal depth will give minimal darkness. Here we can understand the difference between shade and shadow. This shadow we can understand as reflection of an object or pratichaya, whereas chaya is a part of an object. As we told previously, the lighter and darker shades or the chaya can be understood in relation to the skin or aura of an object. Or in other contexts, it is told that depending on the features of Panchamahabhuta, these chaya can be divided into 5 types. They are Parthivi, Ambasi, Vayavi, etc. It is told that asana lakshyate chaya. Chaya can be made out from a near distance only and not from far. That is, chaya refers to the proportionate image that is to be seen in the presence of light. So the appearance, build, color, radiance and overall beauty are the components of chaya. Varna and Prabha are the contributory factors for Chaya, as it is told that Varnam akramati Chaya bhastu Varna prakashini asanna lakshyate Chaya bha prakrishta prakashate, according to Charaka Indriya 7th chapter 16th sloka. The normal glow of the body depends upon Varna and Prabha. And Prabha means luster over the skin or any substance due to radiance of light. It is observed due to Tejo Mahabhuta, or it indicates the status of Agni in a person. Bhastu Varna Prakashini, it illuminates the Varna. Chaya suppresses or obscures the Varna and can be made out from a near distance, whereas the Prabha enlightens it or illuminates Varna from a longer distance. How we can make out the Kanti or Prabha? So we have to assess the patient before and after the treatment, and then only our parameters to decide whether the Kanti or Prabha is improved or not can be understood. Coming to Pratichaya. How we can find out our reflection? One is through mirror or through water surface. Acharya Charaka says that in Atapa, Darpana and Jala we can find out the reflection. According to Charaka Indriya Sthana 7th chapter 9th shloka, Prati Pramana Samsthana Jalat Arashat Atapa Adishu Chaya Yasa Pratichaya Chaya Varna Prabhashraya. The same Chaya preferring to reflection is Pratichaya. So Chaya is explained with regard to living things or human expressions or with the shade that is found under the skin, whereas Pratichaya is nothing but the reflection. Chaya Yascha Pratichaya. So it is a type of Chaya. Similar mechanism takes place in our eyes also. When we look into the eye of a person, we can see our reflection in their eyes. It is just like the shadow of a person. So it is called as Pratichaya. If it is not seen or appears to be deformed in sunlight, moonlight, lamplight, water and in the mirror, then we can say it as Arishta Lakshana. We will see the rest of the topics in next video, and thank you for watching.